Hey everyone, today we're going to be opening up and showing you how to set up this TP-Link USB Bluetooth adapter. It's the Nano version and it's got Bluetooth 4.0 in it. And my PC actually doesn't have Bluetooth and I want to connect this Bluetooth mouse. So we're going to show you exactly how to do that today. It says it's got Bluetooth 4.0, it's plug and play with Windows 8, 8.1 and 10. And it's the Nano size. And now this showed up today in the mail. I purchased it off of Amazon. I will put a link below in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. But let's dive right into it and show you how to set this up. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. On the back here, it says it's got a 2-year warranty with a phone number to call. Looks like it's compatible with phones, tablets, printers, video games, headsets, mice, keyboards, and stereos. It's got little icons there. And this again is the UB400 from TP-Link. So let's go ahead and open it up. Just gonna slice this here. These are super handy actually. They've got a tiny little blade for opening your packages. If you're interested in those, I'll put a link below in the description. But let's go ahead and open this up. And let's see what's in here. It's super tiny, nice and small. And it looks like it just comes with some instructions. Again, it says for Windows 8, 8.1, and 10. We'll pull that out there. It's super tiny. It looks like exactly like what a dongle would look like for a mouse if you bought a mouse with a dongle, but this one's for Bluetooth. So I'll give you a close-up right there. You can have a look at it. But let's go ahead and plug it into my computer and see what happens here. And if I have a look here in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see there's a Bluetooth devices logo that's there. I can just double-click on that, it looks like, and it'll take me to the Bluetooth and other devices settings. If you're not seeing that, you could just go ahead and type in Bluetooth here in your search in the bottom corner, or even just start typing in Bluetooth and other device settings. Let's go ahead and open that up. And let's have a look here. We know it's connected because I've got the Bluetooth logo here in the bottom left-hand corner. Let's go ahead and click on this Add Bluetooth or Other Devices plus sign here in the top left. And add a device, choose the kind of device you would like to add. So there's Bluetooth, mice, keyboards, pens, audio, and other kinds of Bluetooth devices. If you're doing a wireless display or dock, there's those options. And everything else, Xbox controllers, wireless adapters, DLNA, and more. We're doing a mouse, so we're going to select that one. And it's asking me to make my mouse discoverable. So most items do have a button on the bottom. My mouse here does as well. So it says connect. I'm just going to turn it on, push this button, the connect button, and let's see what happens. Hopefully it finds it. There it is, mouse input. We're just going to select that, and it says connecting. And there we go. It says my Bluetooth mouse 4.0 is connected. Let's go ahead and swap the mice out and see if this one works. Bingo, it is working perfectly. In the bottom right-hand corner, it says device is ready to use. Bluetooth mouse 4.0 is set up. And it was that simple to set up this Bluetooth dongle from TP-Link. Really easy to do. So I hope this quick unboxing and tutorial of setting up your TP-Link Bluetooth 4.0 adapter did help you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. You can find a link to this below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.